Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about parts and quality, which are extremely important on your vehicle. You should know what kind of parts are being put on your vehicle. At the West Automotive Group, we use a lot of what's called OEM parts, which is original equipment manufacturer. In other words, it was the original part that was manufactured for the vehicle when the vehicle was made by the manufacturer. We also use OES, which is original equipment suppliers. And the difference on that can mean things such as coils for a vehicle can be made by a company that's not necessarily made by your manufacturer. In other words, NGK makes coils for Toyota. We can get them from NGK. It's same coil, we just don't have to buy them directly from Toyota. So those are a couple options there. There are a lot of offshore parts you need to be very careful of these days. Brake pads that are extremely low quality and other items. So you should always be aware of what's being put on your vehicle when you're having it serviced or repaired. By taking it to a quality service and repair facility such as the West Automotive Group, you have a peace of mind with a great nationwide warranty, knowing that your vehicle's being fixed right the first time. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.